The next question is, which is the least reactive in a nucleophilic substitution reaction? 4 species are given. In a nucleophilic substitution reaction, as we all know, a nucleophile substitutes or replaces another nucleophile. So, which is most favorable among this? So, let us look one after the other. The first one is a tertiary halide. In the case of an SN2 reaction, a methyl halide is most favorable, and tertiary halide, the reactivity actually decreases. But even then, a reactivity occurs in the case of a tertiary halide CH3 3 times CCl. Therefore, this, even though it is less reactive in a nucleophilic substitution reaction, it is still reactive. It can be used. This is benzylic bromide, benzyl bromide. This benzyl bromide is very useful starting material for nucleophilic substitution reactions. It can be converted in the form of benzyl alcohol, benzyl cyanide, and a number of other benzyl derivatives by means of this. Therefore, this is also fairly reactive, is a nice reactive substance in a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Third one is known as vinyl bromide. This vinyl bromide is least reactive this is correct answer for this question is vinyl bromide, which is CH3 CH2Br. CH3 CH2Br, it doesn't proceed easily by means of substitution, because that by assume it is an SN1 reaction, it has to lead to the formation a cation here. A vinylic cation is very unfavorable structure. A vinylic cation is very unstable. Therefore, a reaction fails by SN1 mechanism. Regarding SN2 also, because it is attached to an sp2 carbon, a halide which is attached is something equal to bromobenzene. In bromobenzene also, we find bromine is attached to an sp2 carbon. Similarly, a bromine is attached to an sp2 carbon here, therefore it is not favorable. So either way, it is SN1 or SN2, it is least reactive in a nucleophilic substitution reaction. On the other hand, the next one is known as allyl bromide. There is an extra carbon here. This is known as allyl bromide. Allyl bromide is fairly reactive. It can proceed both by SN1 or SN2 depending upon conditions of the reaction, and therefore this is also reactive. Therefore, A is fairly very nicely reactive. I mean, even though compare in SN2 reaction, this is best in SN1 reactions. This is most reactive in SN1 reaction because it leads to formation of a carbocation, and this is also nice reactive substance, and this is also equally a good reacting substance, whereas the least reactive substance is CH2 double bond CH Br.